Hello. In this video, we are going to cover the layout and behavior of the widgets available in your Presero storefronts. Widgets extend the functionality of Presero responsive skins, with the first widget being offered is the banner widget. Now before working with the widgets, please take a note of a few important points. Widgets are designed to work with the new Presero responsive skins only and are not supported on original default Presero standard skins. If the widgets are selected on a default skin, then you would get to see an error message saying the chosen skin has no location assigned and widget functionality is only possible with certain skins, like this. Hence, the widget functionality is only possible with certain skins and will be shown at the top of the widgets window here. For the new widgets, they must have to be created and added by our programming staff to be available for the sites in your Presero admin and cannot be created or added to any of the site by any user. Now let's look into adding a widget into the site under the Presero admin area. Widgets are accessed from the Appearance tab in the Site Settings menu in the Presero admin area. Any widgets that can be added to the site are shown on the Available Widgets listing on the left of the Widgets Settings window. The Skin Locations list on the right shows available widget locations that widgets can be added to. The first available location is the home page banner. The banner allows for creating a slideshow that is added to the home page of a site that uses a Presero responsive skin. If you wish to use a default Presero standard skin with multiple banner images, the Morality skin has this feature available. The banner widget has settings for a variable number of image slides, for opening associated pages through linking the banner images, tooltip, and preview settings, control over transition settings when changing slides, and other options to customize the behavior of the banner for your site. When you first go to the widgets settings window, no widgets have been added to the site yet, so a widget must be added and customized before it will be shown on the site. Click and drag the banner item under Available Widgets to the slot for the home page banner under Skin Locations on the left. If there are existing widgets, they will show a preview as well as delete and edit buttons. Now let's look into customizing the banners widget. When the banners item is dropped onto the skin location, it is added and Customize window opens, showing the settings for the widget that can be customized. If the banner widget already exists on a site, the Edit Pencil icon button can be used to open this Customize window for the widget for changes. Customized settings are shown first, with slides below that, and any existing slides for that widget will be listed at the bottom of the window. When the widget is first added to the site, no slides are visible at the bottom of the Customize window because none have been added to the site yet. The process of customizing the widget is to adjust any customized settings. At the top of the window as desired. Then move to the slides area to begin adding slides to the widget. You will add a series of slides and then use the Save Widget button to save all changes made in the Customize window. Now let's look into the banner options available for the banner widget for the home page of our site. At the very top of the Edit Banner widget window are a series of settings that control the transitions of the slides and specific other options in settings for the banner. The tooltip available at each setting explain how that setting is used. These settings apply to all slides added to the banner widget. As the slides and settings for the widget are edited, the preview pane at the upper right of this window will show the changes in a live fashion. Now let's look into adding the slides into the banner widget for the home page of our site. When you first add a new banner widget to a site, it has no slides, but the area for editing a slide is shown. The slides area below the banner settings shows two images, two pull-down menus, and two text edit areas with an Add Slides button at the bottom. Slides must be created and any settings changed and then saved with the widget. Multiple slides can be created and any slides added to the banner will show in a series of numbered slots at the bottom of the Edit Banner window, like this. When you are looking at these settings, you are looking at the settings for a single slide. If you are working with the widget for the first time, no slides will exist in the banner yet. You can add a picture and adjust the other slide options and then click the Add Slides button. Clicking the Add Slides button will add the selected settings to the banner as slide 0. The process of adding slides to a banner is to change the settings that you see here to your liking and click Add Slides to save those settings as a new slide to the banner. You will have to add slides to your banner and save it before it will be functional on the site. Now let's look into the slide options that apply to the current slide shown in the Customize window. The very first option is Slide Image. Select the image that is loaded on your site from the pull-down menu to assign it to the slide. Upload Image button. This button is a shortcut to get to the file manager for uploading images, but it does navigate away completely from the widget edit window. So be sure to save any changes to your banner before using the upload button. When uploading, be sure your image is no larger than 1000 pixels on the longest side and the total file size is less than 200 KB. Also note that you must upload your images directly in the Skin Images folder in the File Manager and do not place them in a subfolder of Skin Images or your images will not appear in the drop-down list for selecting slide images. Next is Slide Link. This provides an image link URL to the current slide. Thumbnail. The thumbnail is an image that could be used to create an image slider for the banner instead of the dot slider that you see at the bottom of the banner image when viewing the finished banner on the site. The thumbnail currently has no functionality and is for future implementation. Upload button. So as mentioned before, this button is a shortcut to get to the file manager for uploading images, but it does navigate away completely from the widget edit window. So be sure to save any changes to your banner before using the upload button. Caption. This provides a caption for this slide, and the last is slide title, and this provides a title for this slide we are customizing. When you are done customizing the slide options, click the Add Slides button to add the selected set of options as a slide on the widget. When you do this the first time, you will see a new entry at the bottom of the window for the slide. The first slide will be numbered as 0. You can continue to click the Add Slides button to add more slides to this widget. Clicking the Save Widget button at the lower right saves the widget with all slides and settings that have been added and closes the banner widget edit window. When you have multiple slides showing on the widget, there is a small pencil button to the right of the slide on the list at the bottom of the window. Clicking this edit icon will load that slide for editing on the settings above the list of slides. The trash can icon allows for deleting a slide from the widget. You can edit or delete any of the slides on the list at the bottom of the window, allowing for as many slides as you like in the widget. When you are editing the settings for a slide, the settings for that slide will load into the edit area when the pencil icon is clicked next to that slide on the list. An orange Save button appears below the settings when you are editing an existing slide. Make any desired changes and click Save Changes. You can edit multiple slides one at a time in this manner. Each time you click the button to edit the slide, that slide will be loaded and shown on the Customize window. When all slide changes are done, click the blue Save Widget button at the lower right of the Edit window to save the widget and its set of slides. The slide preview at the top right of the Customize window will change and show the banner slideshow as it is being customized, and this will preview on the widgets setting window as well. This just shows how the slideshow will look on the site. Note that on the Customize window, the slides are numbered 0, 1, 2, and so on. The first slide in the banner is slide 0 on the Customize window. If the banner preview looks like this, it means that no slides have been added to the banner and we would need to add some slides to it. After all settings and slides have been adjusted and edited, click the blue Save Widget button at the bottom of the Customize window, and now the banner should be available on our site.